Good morning, friends, and welcome to a straightforward tutorial on writing quick and easy response paragraphs. A response paragraph is a simple structured piece of writing written to answer a question with supportive evidence and analysis. In order to help you craft these common writing assignments, I spent some time in the woods searching for the perfect writing method before stumbling upon what could be the simplest and easiest writing template ever created. So forget RBG, toss meat out the window, cut that raft loose, and get ready to embrace the PEEEE method. The PEEEE method stands for rephrase, example, evidence, explanation, and conclusion. Yeah, I know, but this is my video. And besides, I'm not even sure who I'm talking to anyways. Must be a side effect of that online teaching. The steps to answering a question using the PEEEE method are simple. So let's go back to the classroom and break it down. First, you need to rephrase that question as a statement and include your simple answer. Use as many words from the question as you can in order to fully set up your paragraph. The reader should understand the question without needing to read it themselves. Set up your example by providing context for the evidence, describe the scene, explain the study, begin to draw connections between your topic sentence and your evidence. Next, provide solid evidence in the form of quotes or excerpts from a story or data and stats from a study. All information taken word for word from another source must be put into quotation marks. If you have not previously cited your source and page number, you should do so now. Then explain how the evidence supports the topic sentence. How does it connect and why does it matter? Don't expect the reader to have read your source material. Finally, conclude and connect the evidence back to the topic sentence. How and why is it a meaningful statement? Conclusions are tough and no one knows how to end anything. That's why we get Rocky 12, Battle with Arthritis. Here's an example of a question and response paragraph written using the PEEEE method. Question: how has Max changed throughout the book Freak the Mighty by Rodman Philbrick? First, you rephrase the question as a statement using as many words from the original question as you can. Here's an example of a rephrased statement. Throughout the book Freak the Mighty by Rodman Philbrick, Max has changed a lot. Next, even though this seems out of order, I want to locate evidence to prove my statement that Max has changed a lot. Then I can set up the quote or excerpt and provide context. You can't really set up your quote before you've picked your quote out. After I've set up the evidence and included a quote or excerpt with page numbers, I need to explain how this supports my initial statement. Why does this evidence prove my point? Adding more evidence to support your ideas is always recommended, and repeating the red, blue, and green sections will help you to structure your writing. Finally, I need to conclude and wrap up my writing. I want to return to my initial topic and express its importance and impact to the story and the world in general. Here are a couple of useful tips to remember when you are writing response paragraphs or many other pieces of writing. Use the sentence starters in the template and notes provided. Color code your paragraph so that you know you have all the pieces necessary. Write in third person. Avoid using first person phrases such as I, me, mine, my, we, and us. Remember to focus your writing on the evidence and characters and not yourself. Avoid second person phrases such as you. No one else is around and you're not talking to anyone directly, so it just sounds kind of crazy. Avoid statements such as everybody knows or as we all understand, vague attributions may work for some people, but not here. Avoid writing about what you're going to write before you write it. Here are a few examples. Now remember guys, you don't need to be a great writer right away. Like anything, it takes time and practice. The more you write, the better you will get, and the less you'll need to use the provided templates. But until then, put that PEEEE method in your pocket and use it whenever you need it. And remember friends, as always, be happy, stay healthy, and let's write some better history. Cheers. If you enjoyed that video, smash the like button. If you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe and check out more videos below.